Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm 𝐒𝐇𝐎 Beauty. If you are new here, welcome. In today's video, I wanted to unbox some products that I got from Maniology. First of all, I want to thank Maniology for sponsoring this video. I wanted to show you guys what the deal is about nail stamping. I've heard about it literally everywhere, and I decided that I was going to try it out as well and see what it is for myself. So instead of doing a voiceover today, I'm just going to be talking through the video and showing you guys everything that I have inside this package. So of course, I'm going to go ahead and just, it's a whole bunch of stuff in here, I know. So this video is just going to be an unboxing and reviewing. I will make a separate video showing you guys how to use these products. So the first thing that I'm going to show you guys is this Maniology nail lacquer. I'm going to go ahead and just open this. I also want to put out a quick disclaimer. I'm not a professional nail tech. You know, I don't usually do nails on a regular, but lately I've been getting into doing my own nails, and that is why I wanted to show you guys and do a review for you guys as well. So this is a first-hand look at everything. This is my first time seeing everything as well. So literally, it's a first-time look for both of us. Okay, so the first thing you guys can see in this is literally the nail lacquer itself. So these are just, let me try and open it for you guys so you guys can see what it looks like. So as you can see, this is really just glitter that you can add. So I got a lot of different items sent to me. I should also have a discount code that I'll be able to share with you guys later on. Just bear with me guys and stick around for this video. It will take a little bit of time to open some of these. But I really just wanted to give you guys a first-hand look, because I do know that sometimes having that first-hand look really just makes that difference. So this is some other nail lacquer as well. I did get nail lacquer in different colors. If I'm not saying this right, nail lacquer, just let me know in the comment section. I probably am not pronouncing it correctly, but I specifically chose out like nude colors. I just really felt like the nudes were gonna look so much better. I just love this color. And so another thing to mention is that this is regular, like regular nail polish. This is not gel, and this is the base coat. Okay, so for the nail lacquer, this is the base coat, and this is the color itself, and then these are additional like glitter that you can add onto it. I'm gonna put these aside here and show you guys what else I got in here. And then here I have these soft gel tips. You don't have to really use these when you do your nails, but I tend to prefer using nail tips only because I just feel like it looks better on me personally. These actually, one thing I really like about these is that they really do feel soft, just like the name, and they come in so many different sizes, different shapes. Of course, you're gonna have to use your own nail buffer to make sure that it, you know, matches your nail size, but as you can see, literally it matches perfectly. These are so soft and they're so flexible. And of course, I mean, if you are going to use the nail tip, you will need nail glue. One thing that I've noticed that's become really popular is the Gel X nails. And so with Gel X nails, I mean, you can use base coat gel, or you can use regular gel glue to stick these on. But that's really just one thing to add. This is not a step that you really need, especially if you're the kind of person who doesn't like nail tip. But it does come with 15 sizes, 300 pieces, and these are medium-sized coffin shaped, and these are pre-buffed as well. Personally, I would still go in and buff them a little bit extra. I mean, you can never go wrong with buffing, so I would just add a little bit more. That's a step in the nail process that I actually genuinely enjoy doing. Okay, so the next thing I have here that I want to show you guys is this tool right here. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys on camera how this looks. Okay, so let's see what this is. Okay, so these are the brushes. I should say that they come in different sizes, and they also come with two ends. As you can see here, you have the bristle here, and then you have this tool that you can use when you do your nails for your cuticle. One thing I actually really appreciate is that it has this bag that comes with it, so literally I have somewhere to put my tools. This is probably my favorite currently, especially because I've gotten into French manicure a lot lately. So with French manicure, when you want to do the white, you know, the white tips, this is a really good nail brush to use when you do your tips. So I feel like this comes in very handy. It's really good to just have this. I mean, it does take a lot of practice. I personally, I wouldn't call myself a pro. I'm still learning, but I'm gonna go ahead and just show you guys each of them. And then also with each brush, it comes with different ends here for your cuticles. Okay, and this is the next one that I have. And also it does also have the Maniology on all of the brushes as well. Okay, and this is the last one. This is actually so cute, like this little bag. It really comes in handy. And I mean, it's so small and it's portable. You can put it in your little nail bag. So personally, now that I'm really getting into nails, I just purchased a little bag that I'm gonna use for all my nail tools. And it's also a portable bag, so I can take it with me anywhere. Okay, let's see what's in here. Ooh, this looks so cute. Look at this, guys. How cute is this? Okay, let's see what this is. So this looks like it is a cotton grabber. Make clean up a breeze. Clean your nail stamping plates without worry of messing up your new manicure. Press onto the end of the cotton grabber to extend the claw, pick up a cotton ball, apply acetone, and clean your plate. Discard cotton as needed. Okay, let's look what this. Okay, so for those of you who are actually nail pros, let me know what this is. Oh, I see. Okay, so look at this, guys. So convenient. Look at this. And of course it has the Maniology written all over it. This is so cute, guys. I actually am so excited to do my nails. I will keep you guys updated in the next video that I'm gonna make, so that we can go through the process all together. This will be a first time that I'm gonna be doing the nail stamping, so I would love for you guys to bear with me. I am just as new to all of this as you all are. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and open this one and see what's in this box. sure what's in here, but let's see. So this looks like acrylic nail art stands. Okay. Okay, this is how they look. So these come in white and they also come in black. And then I have this as well. And lastly, I have these. Yeah, so these are basically just nail art stands. I'm not sure whether I'm actually going to use those. I mean, you can use this to practice, I guess, but I'm not sure whether I'm actually going to use this. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys the next items. We'll put this back in here. Okay, so the next thing that I have here, I guess the last things I have to show you guys, is the nail stamping guide. It has a little guide right here that you can follow. Very, very easy steps. It's literally a 5-step process. And I have watched a couple of videos on how to do this, and it looks pretty simple. So I'm personally really looking forward to actually do my own nail stamping. But I will make a video showing you guys how to do it. One thing that I also really noticed in the videos that I watched is that in order to make the nail stamping process easier, it's very important to use the products that come with it. So like, it's important to use these items that they send you. So you want to use the polish that you get. I mean, you can still use this if you were going to do gel or something like that, but it's really recommended to use the entire product all together, just to give it that effortless look. But this is how the French tip plate looks like. As you can see, it has different sizes and also different widths all along. I'm not sure what these are for, but it's a very, very easy tool to use. And this is literally all over TikTok. The whole nail stamping has really just taken over. And I feel like it's made life so much easier, especially for those of us who are genuinely trying to get into doing our own nails. Doing our own nails at home has never been easier. Okay, so this next item here is more nail colors. Just gonna show you guys the colors that I have here. So this looks like this is just straight up black. That's the name for the color. And then I have just white. This is Bam White. And each color also has its own number. And then this is Top Coat. So I got Top Coat and I got Base Coat. So these are all the colors that I got. Look at how beautiful, guys. Look at this. I mean, life has never been easier with a nail stamping kit like this. And honestly, they do have a bunch of other stamping designs. Personally, I'm just a lot more interested in French manicure, and that is why I decided that I was going to pick these up. They do have a lot more on there. So okay, so there is one more thing I wanted to show you guys. This is the Ice Cube stamper. So this is the stamper itself. It's very, 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 very easy to use. I've watched a few videos on how other people have used their stampers. The stamper is actually what went viral on TikTok. And when I saw the stamper, these stampers are actually quite costly, especially if you check them out on like Amazon and stuff. But Maniology stamper, I mean, it's not even to be compared. This stamper is it, guys, and especially because you get the entire kit. and it makes life so much easier. It's just being a little difficult to get out of this. Okay. All right, so it also comes with cleaning instructions, how to clean your stamper. It comes with this plate here. This is how it comes. As you can see, it does come with an additional wrap to protect it. You also don't want, like, you know, hair or whatever to stick onto it. But this is how the stamper itself looks, guys. So it opens like this. You want to make sure the surface is clean, because if the surface is not clean, I mean, you might just get hair or like other particles on your nails when you do your nails. So you want to make sure you actually clean the plate every single time that you do use it. And as you can see, it's literally like a gel. Like this feels like jelly. I'm telling you, this literally feels like jelly, and it presses all the way down. And of course you can actually remove it. I didn't even know. So this whole thing is removable, and as you can see now, there's a little bit of hair on it, but you can clean it, and then you can literally put it back in here. And it's so easy. This is such an easy process. I mean, nothing's ever been easier. I'm literally so much for that comfort when it comes to doing nails, because doing nails on its own is a hassle, and it's quite a task. So having it made easy like this really just makes that difference. So these are all the items that I'm going to be needing to do my French tips. This video is quite lengthy, and I won't be doing it in this video. This really was just a Maniology unboxing and review video. I will do a separate video for you guys showing how I'm going to be doing my nails. So I have a bunch of nail videos coming for you guys. I want to thank you guys for tuning in and for making it this far in this video. If you are a first-time viewer of my videos, I want to thank you for coming and stopping by. Make sure to stay subscribed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.